How to create the 3D cartoon photo on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open your settings and go to Galaxy AI section. Now scroll down to the photo assist, tap on that and make sure the feature is on. Now you can close your settings and continue. Next, open the gallery application either from home screen or from the apps screen. And select somebody's portrait because this feature works only with people portraits. Now tap on the AI icon at the bottom panel and swipe left until you see Portrait Studio. Now tap on 3D Cartoon, tap on Generate, wait for a while, and that's it. You can swipe left and generate one more. Now swipe right, compare images and generate one more or download the image you liked. And that's pretty it. You can save a copy, you can download any of these images, and I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome.